These are the woods I play in behind the park. I found a way in. The fence doesn't go all the way around, plus there's an area where the fence fell down. It's way over there, but I don't really want people seeing me. It's a pretty nifty place. There's like a little thing that you can walk on, so I don't get why they locked it if you can walk there. Let's take a little walk. Shall we? Lot to go. But thing is, this eventually just trails over back to the fence, and I don't want anyone to see me. I'm zooming in so you can see it all better. And yeah, there's a way open area over there. This is called the Greenwood Woods. During the summer, this all used to be flooded, but it's not anymore. And I've actually been coming here since August of 2009. That's when I found this area, how to get in here. Yeah. There's a lot of ferns. I still see where the trail goes, but that takes you back to the fence, so we won't go there. Yeah. So this is Greenwood Park Woods. Bye.